Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are creating a look using our top 3 products we loved in 2022 for this Keeping It Real Fun collab group. The ladies that are taking part in today's collab, the information is in my description box. Please go check them out and see what were their top 3 products in 2022. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope and pray that there will be blessings that will be poured over you and your family for 2023. Let us keep praying and taking action towards whatever it is that we need to do in 2022 to get to where we need to be. Go visit all the other ladies. Their information is in my description box. Blue, because I'm going to use a shimmer. One of my top items for 2022 that I enjoyed using, it is the Eye Method eyeliner, the wing eyeliner. One side is for the wing on hooded eyes and one is for the liner. I love this liner very much. Second product item that I loved in 2022 is my Essence Lash Princess. This is the one that's a false lash effect mascara. Love this. I enjoy this. It's almost done. I think it's done. I think this is completely finished. But we're gonna use it today. See the lashes? That's what I'm talking about. I love this Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. See the other one? You can see this. And it's inexpensive. So don't have to buy something very expensive for it to see. So now see this lash? I'm going to make it va-va-va-voom. See? That's what I'm talking about. I loved this in 2022 and I'll be loving it again in 2023. Essence Lash Princess. This is my lash. The next product I loved in 2022 and I'm taking it into 2023 is the Colored Rain Naughty Spice Bronzer. Love this bronzer. Love this bronzer. I think it's the only one I have, but I love it. There it is. Today's look for the Keeping It Real Fun collab is this simple 3-color eyeshadow look. I use these 3 colors right here from the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity, the first big eyeshadow palette she came out with. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I only used 3 colors out of there to create this sexy look. Today, the numerology number card I am going to pull out is, let's see what number card I pull out. And I pull one for today, and it's a parenting. So you can see my full hair. I have to back up so you can see my complete head of hair. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to go out there and live life well, because life is short. Live it and live it to the fullest. Things change from day to day, minute to minute. So please be well. Bye.